Hello Internet. Today we have this 3090 from Zotac that's supposed to crash while gaming, so let's boot it up and confirm this diagnosis.
Roger, roll, Atlantis.
Okay, looks like the Valley did not crash anything, so next test to run is Firmark, which as you can see, seems to work fine, except it starts to flicker, and now it's blank. A few seconds later I get a blue screen of death, which means this GPU is dead. Goodbye, thank you for watching. But wait, I'm not going to let that one slide. What I will do is what you're all aware of me doing quite a bit on this channel, so let's get that done and see if that helps. Okay, reball is complete. I'll verify resistances and go straight into the boot. We have a picture, and I ran a memory test real quick to make sure that it passes, which it does, so that's great. And since the problem was not occurring right away, I have to assemble the card fully in order to confirm the fix. And after running it for some time, it no longer crashes, but the temperatures were just a little bit too high for my liking. And I thought to myself, maybe I'll press on it and tighten the screws, see if that helps. But as you can see in the follow-up test, it didn't do anything. And that concludes a 3090 for you. No matter what you do, it'll run hot, so might as well avoid buying one unless you really need 24 gigabytes for whatever reason. In any case, the card is now fixed and performs like new. And I thank you for watching and have a blessed day. Goodbye.